Alright, filling up our fourth batch. Then we will make some apple oatmeal for the kids and start with our pie filling. Good morning. Today we have apples to preserve. We will be dehydrating some and making apple pie filling with the rest. I already dehydrated one batch overnight, so let's get started with the next one. Alright, this batch is done. Let's get them in this airtight container and get the next batch started. Alright, filling up our fourth batch. Then we will make some apple oatmeal for the kids and start with our pie filling. Okay, here I have all the apples cubed up. Now let's get started with the filling. Okay, first we add 5 quarts of water, 4 cups of brown sugar, okay, 4 cups of white sugar, 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2½ cups of clear gel, mix it up and bring it to a boil. Keep a close eye on it. It will thicken pretty fast once it starts heating up, and if you're not stirring it, it will burn to the bottom. Alright, it's almost done. See how thick it is, and it's boiling a little bit. Alright, it's done. Let's pour it on the apples. Okay, we have 10 quarts of apples in all here. I will pour half of it on each one. Okay, let's get it in jars. And you want to debubble these. The jam is able to hold pretty big air pockets in there. Make sure to wipe your rims. They will seal better. Lids and rings. Bring to a boil and water bath for 20 minutes. Alright, here we have our pie filling. I still have a batch in here. I like to let them cool down slowly in here, just so the jars don't bubble over. The recipe will be in the description. That is all for us today. God bless.